In today's fast-paced industrial world, precision and speed aren't just goals, they're necessities. Meet the 10L industrial-grade bottling system, the ultimate solution for businesses demanding flawless efficiency. Engineered for high-volume production, this powerhouse combines auto-filling accuracy and precision capping to redefine your bottling process. With its advanced smart sensor technology, the system guarantees consistent fill levels every time, eliminating waste and maximizing yield. Whether it's beverages, chemicals, or pharmaceuticals, the 10L system adapts to your product's unique needs. Say goodbye to leaks and human error. Our laser-guided capping mechanism ensures airtight seals, meeting the strictest industry standards. Durability meets perfection. Designed for simplicity, the intuitive interface lets you switch between batches in seconds. No specialized training, just pure productivity. From craft breweries to chemical plants, the 10L system thrives in any environment. Built with industrial-grade materials, it's engineered to withstand 24/7 operation.